This forest is nice and warm. There's so much good definition among the trees through the therm. Every little ripple on every piece of bark.
A thermal imager definitely gives you the best odds of getting footage of a Sasquatch in the woods at night.
Unlike the Browns thermal footage, which is black and white, we put our thermal imagers on high contrast color setting to increase our chance of seeing something stand out in the woods. What was that?
Renee, do you hear the movement?
Yeah.
Which direction?
This way.
Something big, something big.
I just heard that too.